Welcome to the Cayman Islands, a slice of Caribbean paradise where crystal-clear waters meet soft white sands. Today, let's drift away into one of the world's most breathtaking tropical escapes. First stop, the iconic 7 Mile Beach. Known for its powder-soft sand and endless blue horizons, this internationally famous shoreline offers the perfect blend of calm waters and pure relaxation. Just a short boat ride away lies Stingray City, a natural sandbar where friendly southern stingrays glide around you in some of the clearest water on Earth. Hidden within lush tropical forests are the Cayman Crystal Caves, filled with glowing stalactites, underground lakes, and millions of years of natural history. Next, meet the gentle giants of the sea at the Cayman Turtle Center. Here, conservation meets education, protecting one of the Caribbean's most loved species. And finally, Rum Point. Peaceful, laid back, and perfect for unwinding. Whether it's a morning breeze or a sunset silhouette, this is where time truly slows down. The Cayman Islands, where nature, adventure, and serenity blend into one unforgettable experience. If this paradise calls to you, don't forget to like, share, and follow Driftaway Diaries for more dreamy destinations.